Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is Tinola, and if you're new here, you are welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a classic glowy summer makeup look. I'll be using minimal makeup products to achieve this look, and I'm pretty sure you guys are going to love it. This is the look that you're going to rock, and people are going to be like, oh my gosh, why are you looking so glowy? Why are you sparkling? Why are you sparkling? If you guys are interested in getting this look with minimal products, then you definitely want to keep on watching. Alright, welcome back. As you guys can see, my face is already looking glowy. We're already getting there. I just finished my skincare, so that's the first step in getting a glowy, glassy look for summer or for any time, any day. You know, you need to make sure that your skincare is properly done. If you guys haven't seen my skincare video, you can check it out. I'm going to link it above. But I do want to say that I've been able to add 1 or 2 updated new stuffs in my skincare routine, which you guys need to see. I should actually share it with you guys because that's how I was able to get this look on my face. So if you guys want to see my updated skincare routine, let me know in the comment box below and I'll be sure to make a video on that. Moving on, once I'm done with my skincare, the next step is to go in with my primer. Today I'll be using this gentle illuminating primer from Vapor Beauty. I'm going to shake it first and just press it out like that. It also gives that glowy look, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean. So you just want to press it into your skin and spread it all around to make sure it's completely spread. And I believe I'm using a little bit too much in this video because I'm trying to show you guys how glowy it can get. But then you don't need this much, just a little bit. The good thing about the primer is it doesn't feel oily on your skin. It absorbs very well. This actually feels gentle on the skin. It just has that calming effect. And then as you guys can see, it's also quite illuminating. The next step is to go in with my Illuminating Drops from Mary Kay, and I'll be using this on my face to achieve that glow. Walking downtown and I'm okay. If you guys have seen my very old videos, you must have seen this Illuminating Drops. Alright, I'm going in with my foundation brush just to blend it out. I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy driving to everywhere, but it all comes down to. Hey guys, I'm keeping this look really quick and easy, nothing too much because I don't want the look cakey. I want it really natural. As you can see, all the products I've used so far are more liquid than powdery, so it absorbs well into my skin. My skin feels super soft, moisturized, and that I love it. Next is to go in with my foundation. I'll be using Mary Kay foundation shade, I think 5. I'm going to link all the products down below, and I'm using just little. I'm using minimal products, guys. Minimal products. Because we can't look heavy for summer. We can't. So I'm just going in, just 1 drop. Just going in like that. I believe this is the best shade I've gotten from any foundation I've ever tried. This is the closest shade to my actual shade, and the good thing is it does not cake. It's that kind of foundation that you apply and it feels so natural. Like people are like, do you have foundation on your face? That kind of foundation. Okay, mommy, we're still glowing, and the next step is to do my eyebrows. So I'm done with my foundation, as you guys can see. By the way, if you're wondering, I'm using this foundation brush. If you're using a flat foundation brush, you want to make sure that it actually blends in well. Some flat foundation brushes don't blend in properly, so you want to make sure you are blending everything in properly. So can you guys see that bit? Next step is to go in with our eye brush. I'm sure you've seen me do this step before. For my eyebrow, I'm using this got2b glue spray and my eyebrow brush. Just gonna spray the brush and bam on my eyebrow. Brush out my brows, clean up the excess.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah.
Alright, now that my brows are properly brushed out, so I'm going to go in and fill it up a little bit because
I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy problems with everyone, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling.
I like full brow look these days, so I've been doing more of that, and that's it for my brows. Moving on, we're going in with my concealer, and you guys have seen me use this concealer 100 times, so all products will be linked down below. Minimal products, people, minimal products. Also going to be using some concealer in my eyebrow area just because we are not doing much eyeshadow, so we want to brighten.
I'm trying not to give him the time of day. It's easier said than done. That guy problems with everyone, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me.
So I'm just going to blend the concealer with the base of my eye.
You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling.
The next step is to go in with this translucent loose powder, as you guys have seen on my previous videos. Like I said, most of these makeup products you guys have seen on my previous videos. We're not contouring in this video, and the next step is to go in with my highlighter, to go in with my blush. Most of these makeup products you guys have seen in my previous videos. In case it looks a bit too much, I'm going to blend them out, so don't worry guys. I'm not going to be looking like a clown, no way. Bronzer.
Walking downtown and I'm okay.
And you want to blend all of that.
He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living.
I'm going in with this Vapor Beauty lip gloss. Oh my gosh, this is like really good. If you don't want to use your finger to do this, then you can use a lipstick or lip gloss brush. This feels so good on my lips, and the first time I saw it, I actually thought it was a blush, but it's actually a lip gloss. Have you ever seen any lip gloss like this? Isn't this just super cute?
It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. But now I gotta keep it.
This gives your lips that really nude look, and it's so glossy.
Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile.
I love it. Yeah, I love it. I really love it. Okay, I'm going in with my eyeliner to give my lips some shape. This isn't necessary, like I don't do this every single time I wear lip gloss, but then for the sake of this video, let's just do it.
It's easier said than done. That guy, nothing to let you on, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety.
Finishing off with this lip gloss, very glossy, from Vapor Beauty. I'm going to link all the products down below, and it's in a clear color, very glossy, guys.
Now I gotta keep it. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. Now I gotta keep it.
Okay, I'm loving this look already. I hope you guys can see how gorgeous this is, because it actually looks super gorgeous in real life. Apply my highlighter just a little bit here. C form, just a C shape here.
Walking
going to
downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. That's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say.
I'm going to apply some of this lip gloss on my eyelid. Yes.
That guy, nothing to let you on, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety.
This is what we are looking like for the final look. As you guys can see, my face doesn't look cakey at all. That is one thing I really like about this makeup. Remember to use more of liquidy makeup products than powdered makeup products. Okay guys, that is it for this video.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Alright. Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing. I'm trying not to give them the time of
If you did enjoy it so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you'll be trying out this look. It's really a 10-minute look. If you're really fast with it and you don't do some eye makeup, you're going to spend literally 5 minutes. And let me know if you guys want to see more of these videos. Here on this platform, I share contents on hair, beauty, and healthy lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, if you are new to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. You guys are the best. God bless you. Thank you. I'll be seeing you guys on my next video or my other videos. Check them out. Click, click. Bye, guys.